the trial proceedings in the case of Mr. Taci, Mr. Veseli, Mr. Selimi, and Mr. Krasniqi. This is, a very voluminous case. In this case, we have 10 counts, each of the accused for war crimes and 6 counts of crimes against humanity. There are defense teams that are very active in the courtroom, as should be the case. Of course, they have to best serve the interests of their clients. There are 153 victims that are of different ethnicity, Albanian, there are Serbs, there are also Roma, Egyptians, so it's a variety of different persons. And here, at this point, I would like to clarify to everyone who is interested to hear about victims participating in the proceedings. You shouldn't be of the view that the judges are just granting anyone who wants to be granted participatory status is granted the request of alleged victims. In the law and in the rules, there are some very strict requirements that have to be satisfied in order for anyone claiming victimhood to be allowed to participate in the proceedings. It has been communicated by the prosecution that 43 witnesses, the prosecutor is considering to hear 43 witnesses and to close its case, and still the date is no later than April of next year. And they last week the prosecutor decided to cancel from the list 14 witnesses. Of course, this is the result of the very robust management policy by Trial Panel 2 that conducted a number of conferences with the parties that were public conferences, discussing how what steps should be taken in order to intensify the pace of the proceedings. The initial number of witnesses was around 152, and even back then the prosecutor was saying, and I could add some more. So the overall could have reached 355. So this is one of the steps that was taken towards efficiency in this case. We are not a political entity. We are a court of law. And no one of us has participated in any decisions related to the setting up of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers and the Specialist Prosecutor's Office. Actually, our main stakeholders are member states of the European Union, but we have also contributing states. Amongst them is the United States of America. However, and I have said this, and I will repeat it up until such time when I will be proven wrong. Mm-hmm. To the credit of our stakeholders, no one ever tried to intervene in our work. Only if we are asked how long this case is going to take, how long that case is going to take, that is all. So I don't believe the United States have been, first of all, of course, the end of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, this project of the European Union and Kosovo, the end of the institution could be notification by the Council of the European Union that the cases before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers came to an end and that investigations had concluded. So, with regard to, well, that was the choice of the people in the United States, spectacular choice. However, the United States are known to be one of the of the country is promoting very much the rule of law, and I don't think that they are going to get involved into anything related to the Kosovo Specialist Chambers. I hear for the first time the name of this person, and there is nothing here. So I didn't have time to ask, not myself, of course, but someone from my younger colleagues, the team, to find something more. But for this period of time, there is nothing in the filings. That name never appeared in the filing because I do receive all filings. And if I don't have the time throughout the week, working week to read, during the weekend, I want to follow everything.